For decades, sellers like yourself would enter into agreements that obligated you to pay a total commission, which would cover both your agent and the buyer's agent. However, recent legal decisions have altered this practice, and it's important for you to understand how these changes can affect your home sale. In this video, we're going to break down what these changes mean for you as a seller and how you can navigate them. As a result of multiple class action lawsuits, buyers are now responsible for paying their own agent's fees. That being said, you as the seller can still help cover these costs by offering seller concessions. Whether or not you choose to offer seller concessions and the amount that you decide to offer is completely up to you, and you don't even have to disclose it until it comes up during the offer negotiations. While disclosing your willingness to offer concessions early on might help you attract more buyers, not disclosing it could give you some more flexibility when it comes to negotiation time. This decision should not be taken lightly and should be based on your individual circumstances and goals. It's worth noting that many agents will make attempts or even demands to gain this information, either by contacting you directly or reaching out to our team. At Falaya, we promise to never disclose your willingness to offer concessions without your written consent, to ensure that your negotiating position will never be tainted by us. Of course, our team is always available to provide guidance and support throughout your entire home selling journey. If you have any questions at all about seller concessions, please email us at sales@falaya.com or give us a call and we'd be happy to help. If you want expert guidance from a licensed real estate professional, you can always add on contract negotiations or upgrade your package at any point by visiting the pricing page on our website. No matter what, we're here to provide an efficient, transparent home selling experience from listed to sold, so we can continue to deliver that Falaya feeling.